Could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? This sounds natural and fluent, right? By the end of this video, you will master not only this sentence, but also 100 powerful sentences that people actually use in real life. Let's begin with the first 30. 1. I need a glass of water. 2. Can you please help me with this? 3. I don't understand what you mean. 4. Could you say that again slowly? 5. I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. 6. How much does this cost? 7. Can I pay by card? 8. Please give me a few minutes. 9. What time does the shop open? Do you have a table for 2? Drill. Say, can you please verb for me? Example, can you please open the window for me? Pause. 5s. 11. Excuse me, do you know where the bank is? 12. I would like a cup of tea, please. 13. Can I try this on? 14. Sorry, I didn't catch that. 15. Could you show me the way? 16. May I sit here? 17. What do you recommend? 18. I'm not sure about this decision. 19. Please speak a little louder. 20. Thank you, that was very helpful. Drill. Say, I would like something, please. Example, I would like some water, please. Pause. 5s. Founted 21. How long will it take? 22. Could you wait a moment? 23. Where can I buy a ticket? 24. Can you write it down for me? 25. I'm sorry, I'm late. 26. That sounds great. 27. Can you explain this to me? 28. Please turn on the light. 9. I'm learning English step by step. 30. See you again soon. Drill. Say, can you verb it for me? Example, can you explain it for me? Pause. 6 is, you just mastered 30 powerful beginner sentences. Now, let's level up with 40 more. Sentences that will make you sound natural and confident. D1. Long time no see. 32. It's nice to finally meet you. 33. How have you been lately? 34. Let's catch up soon. 35. I'll call you back in a minute. 6. Can we meet tomorrow afternoon? 37. I'm free on the weekend. 38. That's a good idea. 39. I don't feel like going out tonight. 40. Let's order something to eat. Drill. Say, I don't feel like verb plussing. Example, I don't feel like cooking today. Pause. 6. 1. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. 42. Could you send me the file? 43. I'll finish it by tomorrow. 44. Let's discuss this in detail. 45. Can you check this report for me? 46. I need some extra time. 47. I'm working on a new project. 48. I'll get back to you soon. 49. Could you explain this concept again? 50. The deadline is very close. Drill. Say, I'll verb by time. Example, I'll call you by evening. Pause. 5 as 51. Could you take a picture of me? 52. How far is the airport from here? 53. Is the seat taken? 54. I'd like to book a hotel room. 55. What time does the flight leave? 56. Can I have the Wi-Fi password? 57. This food tastes delicious. 58. Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? 59. I need to exchange some money. 60. Where can I find a taxi? Drill. Say, could you recommend something? Example, could you recommend a good book? Pause. 6s. 61. I'm not feeling well today. 62. That movie was really interesting. 63. I think we should try again. 64. I agree with you completely. 65. I'm not sure about that. 66. In my opinion, this is better. 67. I'm a bit tired right now. 68. This place is very crowded. 16. I'm really excited for tomorrow. 77. That was an amazing experience. Drill. Say, in my opinion, something. Example, in my opinion, learning English is fun. Pause. 6s. Great job. You've learned 70 strong sentences. Now, let's go pro. These 30 sentences will make you sound fluent, confident, and advanced. Had I known earlier, I would have helped you. 72. I wish I had studied harder. 73. No sooner had I arrived than the meeting started. 74. Little did I know what was waiting for me. 75. I would rather stay home than go outside. At 76. By the time you arrive, I will have finished. 77. It's high time we started working seriously. 78. Rarely have I seen such dedication. 70, 79. I might as well finish it now. 80. You needn't worry about this. Drill. Say, by the time you verb, I will have verb. Example, by the time you call, I will have left. P6 81. I would appreciate it if you could help me. 82. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. 83. Kindly let me know your availability. 84. Please keep me updated. 85. Allow me to clarify my point. 86. Could you elaborate on this issue? 87. I'm afraid I can't agree with that. 88. With all due respect, I have a different opinion. 89. I'll take your suggestion into consideration. 90. Thank you for your cooperation. Drill. Say, I would appreciate it if you could verb. Example, I would appreciate it if you could explain. Pause. 5s. 91. Success comes to those who work hard. 92. The more you practice, the better you get. 3. Practice makes a man perfect. 94. Easier said than done. 95. Actions speak louder than words. 96. Better late than never. 97. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 98. A blessing in disguise. 99. When in doubt, trust your instincts. 0. Every cloud has a silver lining. Final drill. Say any proverb from above and explain it in your own words. Pause 8s.